Title: Greed, the pitfall of excessive desire. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word greed. Greed is a noun that represents an intense and excessive desire for material wealth, possessions, or power. It signifies the negative aspect of unrestrained and insatiable want. Pronunciation: pronouncing greed is simple, ɡriːd, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, greed can lead individuals to pursue wealth at the expense of ethical and moral values, often causing harm to themselves and others. Importance: greed serves as a cautionary concept, reminding us of the importance of balance, empathy, and ethical values in our pursuit of success and happiness. Conclusion: in summary, greed is a word that represents the harmful consequences of excessive desire for material gain. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, reflect on the negative impacts of greed and the importance of leading a balanced and ethical life.